Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. How are you all doing today? Hope you all having an amazing day. Thank you all so much for your likes. I thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's tutorial, it's all about storage DIY storage makeup brushes that I came up with. I've been thinking about this project for a while now, and I finally decided to give it a try. Everything that I used, I bought them from Dollar Tree. They are $1. Okay, everything that I use. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, to share, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this project. Do you find it very easy and simple? Are you going to be giving it a try? Please leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you all once again, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.